Yo, fellas over 50, pull up a seat and listen close, because what I am about to share could completely flip the script on your mornings. I know you might be thinking your best days are behind you. Mornings feel sluggish, energy dips, workouts are harder, confidence isn't what it used to be, but hold up, because one simple drink before bed, that's it, can change everything, and nah, it's not some expensive supplement or gimmick. This is natural, backed by science, and most guys don't even realize it exists. Let's get real. Once you hit 50, your body changes, hormones drop, sleep quality shifts, stamina fades, and a lot of men think grinding harder or chugging coffee is the answer, but that's old school thinking. What you need is a smarter approach, something that works overnight, and that's exactly what this drink does. It turns your night into a full-on recovery session, so you wake up charged, focused, and ready to crush the day. Now, before I reveal the full recipe, let's talk about why most men over 50 lose their edge. Scrolling on the phone late at night, stress piling up, late snacks, inconsistent sleep, all of it slowly stealing your energy. And most guys don't even realize it. Younger guys think they know aging, but they don't. And here's the kicker. It's not about slowing down. It's about smart habits and timing. And one small tweak at night can make a massive difference. Take Mark, a 52-year-old friend. He'd been struggling with mid-afternoon crashes, dragging at work, low focus, feeling off in all areas of life. Tried protein shakes, energy shots, nothing worked. Then he tried this one simple drink before bed, and brewsome. The next morning, like a switch flipped, energy back, focus back, stamina back, confidence back. And he's not alone. Hundreds of men over 50 are quietly discovering this hack. It's simple, natural, and powerful. And here's the secret. The drink, the exact recipe that makes mornings feel brand new. Take 1 glass of warm water, add a pinch of ginger, a dash of turmeric, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of honey. Optional. Toss in a scoop of magnesium powder if you want to supercharge it. Mix it up, drink it about 30 minutes before bed, and let your body work its magic overnight. Now think about this. Younger guys don't get it. They chase quick fixes, energy drinks, late night workouts, but they miss the small, overlooked habits that actually make a difference. And that's what this drink does. It's a tiny tweak that packs a massive punch. The timing, the ingredients, the ritual, it all matters, and done consistently. This one simple drink can literally reboot your mornings. Now let me tell you about Steve, 55, same story. Dragging, low energy, feeling worn down, tried everything under the sun. One night, makes this drink, wakes up the next day, hits the gym, mental clarity razor sharp, stamina back. Even his confidence in the bedroom was boosted. He couldn't believe it. And Mike, 50, same deal, had been skeptical. Tried it for a week and mornings completely changed. Energy, focus, performance, just back, and all with a simple, natural drink you can make in your kitchen. So tonight, when you go to bed, mix your glass, follow the routine, pay attention tomorrow morning. This is the difference between just surviving your 50s and waking up a true beast. Mornings you thought were gone forever. Energy, stamina, focus, confidence, all back, simple, natural, cheap, no gimmicks, just one drink. Every night, your mornings reclaimed, your drive restored, and trust me, once you try this consistently, you'll look at aging completely differently. It's not about slowing down, it's about reclaiming your edge, making smart, overlooked choices, and letting your body do the work while you sleep. Now go ahead, mix it up, drink it, and wake up ready to crush your mornings because this one small tweak could change everything.